Hey guys, if you have a list of potential customers or past customers sitting idle, in this video I'm going to show you a demo of how easy it is to re-engage all of those potential customers or past customers on WhatsApp using Whautomate platform and its broadcast feature. Or even an e-commerce store who's trying to push out a limited time offer to customers who haven't purchased in the last 3 months. Or even a real estate agent for leads who have inquired but never really converted. These are some of the examples of use cases, but you know your business better and the possibilities are limitless for your business. My name is Babu Munawar Pasha. I'm the founder of Whautomate platform. We offer omni-channel customer engagement platform to automate experiences on popular communication channels like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, and even live chat widget on your website. In this video about the broadcast feature, it's all about sending hundreds or even thousands of messages to your leads, all personalized, tracked, and delivered straight to their WhatsApp in one go. Let's dive into the demo. First, you will have to sign up for a Whautomate account. You can do that by clicking on Get Started Free on Whautomate.com. We do offer a 7-day free trial for you to evaluate the platform, and currently we are running a 50% off promotion for first 3 months. Your activation, so if our platform makes sense for you, feel free to go ahead and upgrade. Now I'm going to sign up on our staging environment. I'm going to click on sign up with us. Okay, I've filled in all the details. I'm going to click on create account. Once the account is created, the next step is to create a workspace. Imagine workspace is sort of like a sub account within your main Whautomate account. For example, if you have different teams like support team, marketing team, and sales team, all having different WhatsApp numbers, different teams working together. So you can create the concept of workspace within Whautomate platform and add different numbers and give access to specific workspaces to staff that work on that workspace only. So I'm just going to create a workspace. Create a workspace. So once you've created the account, you would receive an email. You can just click on it to verify, just to make sure you're using your own email address as such. Once you've verified your email, you're good to get started with our platform. You can set up your account as well. We have prepared a quick, easy getting started guide or a checklist of things that you can do on your own. Obviously, you can click on any of these activity to get more information and get started as well. So for example, if I go here, the first step is for me to connect the phone number, right? And I can do that by clicking on the channel that I want to connect. But at the same time, if I want to learn more before I connect, I can click on the help guide to learn more as well. All of these activities have information and help guide for you to learn as well, and also we give a rough estimate of how long it would take for you to do that activity as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the WhatsApp, and what we are going to do is something called as embedded signup. It's a way for me to connect my WhatsApp number on Whautomate platform to automate conversations as such. And there are two ways you can do it. One is you can connect your existing WhatsApp business app number. Just to let you know, not all number may be eligible. If you're using WhatsApp business app for quite a long time, you may be eligible, or if you have high volume of messages coming to your number, then you may also be eligible as well. You can try connecting. If not, the other option is to bring in a number that's already not connected to WhatsApp. If you already have a WhatsApp account, you can just delete that WhatsApp account and bring that number and use that on the platform as well. So I'm going to click on login with Facebook to do the embedded signup just to show you. Yeah. So if you are already logged into your Facebook account, it should pick it up. If not, it will ask you to log in. You can log in, and then click on continue. And basically, the next step is for you to select the business portfolio. This is the Facebook business account where your number, everything gets added to. So make sure if you are already running ads, you should have a business portfolio. If not, you can always create a new one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select a business that's already verified. And the next step is for me to, connect the phone number. So you can see two options: create a WhatsApp business account. This is where you're adding a new phone number altogether, or connect a WhatsApp business app. If you're starting up fresh, you should only see these two options. If you're an existing WhatsApp Cloud API user, you might see other numbers that's already connected as well. Yeah. So I'm going to click on connect a WhatsApp business app. just to show you the existing WhatsApp business app as well. And I'm gonna select the number, so I'm gonna click on next. It should prompt me to scan a QR code, which I will do from my phone. It is connecting my WhatsApp business account. It says this could take up to 45 seconds. I can see that it's already connected, and I can click on next and click on confirm as well. And just click on finish. Yeah. So this is where it's setting up all the templates and everything. Yeah, it's done. It's created, connected the WhatsApp number, and I can see the business name and everything as well. Okay, so once this is connected, I can go back to the activity and mark it as done. The next step is to do the Meta business verification, and you can read our help guide and go to Facebook business settings and submit for business verification. It's a straightforward process. If your business is registered, you can submit the documents. So I'm just going to mark it as done. Next step is adding a payment method to your WhatsApp, because every template message that you send, Meta charges you for that. We don't charge any markup on top of Meta's fees. You will be paying Meta directly, so you will have to add that payment method to Meta. You can follow along this guide. So I'm going to pause this video and add my payment method so I can send broadcast as well. I just want to quickly show you how I added the payment method, just so that you don't get stuck or anything. So you can just click on go to WhatsApp payment settings. It should open up a window like this. If you have multiple business portfolio, you just have to select the one where you added the phone number, and then on the left hand side you can navigate to WhatsApp accounts, and you should see the WhatsApp account that you connected. And what you can do is click on payment settings, and it should come up here, and you can click on add payment method to add your card details as such. So once this is all done, you should be able to send WhatsApp template messages. If you get stuck or if you're running into issues, feel free to reach out to us. We will be able to assist you as well. Yeah. So I'm going to be marking this one as done since I've added. As part of the next step, we do offer a mobile app where you can see all the conversations on the go, reply to messages on your mobile phone as well. So if you're interested, you can download from Apple Store or Play Store as well. So these are available. So I'm just going to mark it as done. And then the next step that I want to do is I want to see if I'm able to receive the messages on the connected phone number and also able to send a reply as well. So I'm going to click on go to team inbox. I don't have any chat, so I'm just going to send a message and see if I am receiving. I am receiving the message here as well. So if I go here, and I should see the message, and if I do a reply, this should actually be delivered to the person as well. Yeah, I've received, and I can see the double tick as well. And there are a few things in the team inbox you can explore. So you can assign conversations to different team members. You can set up canned responses to kind of send quick replies. And we do have different statuses and filters. You can even create custom inboxes. All these are available for you to manage high volume of conversations pretty well. So once this is done, so the next thing that I want to do is import contacts. So I can go into contacts and import them using bulk import functionality, or I can manually create contacts as well, so using the form. Just to let you know, for bulk import, this is a paid account feature. If you think you can upgrade, or you can create contacts manually to test out or evaluate our platform as well. Okay, so I have upgraded my account. I'm going to go ahead and bulk import contacts, and you can download the sample file to see the example of the data as well. Just to let you know, we do have different fields, including tags, where you can type and add a new tag as well, something like it, and you see the add button, you can click on it to add. And we also have custom fields as well, so you can add key and value for custom data from other platforms or your CRM onto our platform as well. So you can add them and use them in the broadcast when sending messages. All these fields are available in bulk upload as well, which is what I'm going to do. And the file that I've created is here. So you can see name, country code, phone, tags, stage, notes, and custom fields. And I'm adding something called as new lead and follow up as tags for these contacts. And also I'm adding custom fields like company Whautomate. If I want to add more fields, I can add a pipe and keep on adding more fields as well. Yeah, so I'll be using these fields in the broadcast as well. So let me just import them, and if there is an existing contact matching that phone number, it will just update that contact. If there is no contact available on your account, it will just create a new contact as well. Yeah, I'm just going to choose this demo contacts file, and I can see all the data that I've uploaded here. So I'm going to click on import. It's all created, and I can see all these contacts have these tags that I've added. And if I go custom attributes, I should see those custom attributes that I've added as well. Okay, so now that contacts are loaded, the next step is to create segments. If you want to segment customers or prospects into different groups, maybe you might be running campaigns for different groups of people, and this segmentation helps you to segregate and run targeted marketing campaign. But obviously, you do have options to send it to all contacts as well. So just for example, there are default segments that are created on your account, like all contacts here. Yeah, so if I see, I should see all the contacts in my account as well. Yeah, or I can click on add segment to add a segment as well. So let me just call it as demo segment. And we do have types. There are two types. One is client and contact. Whautomate offers other features as well, as like booking of appointments, booking of classes, or purchasing from your WhatsApp. So all those are customers, and those will fall under clients. And anybody that's messaging you or you are messaging them, they will all be part of contacts. It's sort of like phone book. Yeah. And as I'm filtering on the left hand side, you can see on the right hand side, the preview gives you the contacts that are being impacted as part of the segment. Yeah. So we have added new lead and follow up for those tags. I'm just going to select that, and it'll these people impacted as well. And we do have other filters like stages. If you want to manage stages like the CRM functionality, you do have that. If you want to exclude people that have specific tags, we do have that option as well. And number of days since last activity is an option for you to retarget them if they were not active in the last 90 days or so. And again, the last one is workspaces. So when you have multiple workspaces, you can target contacts on specific workspaces as well. Yeah. So once you're happy with everything, you can click on save. It's a one-time setup. Once you're done, if more contacts are added into the account and if the conditions satisfy, they will automatically get into these segments as such. Yeah. Before I schedule the broadcast or run the broadcast, I want to create WhatsApp templates. These are templates that needs to be approved by Meta before you can send it to hundreds or thousands of people. So you can do that within Whautomate platform itself. You can click on WA template and click on add template to create your own content as well. So I'm just going to give it a name. Just call it Whautomate demo. And category, you will be either using utility or marketing depending on the messaging content. If the message has marketing elements, obviously Meta will review and update it as marketing by default. If it's purely transactional or business updates like appointment reminders or payment request, all these kind of things fall under utility, you can select utility as well. Authentication is OTP, but in our instance, we are kind of selecting marketing. And this is where the content will go under. You can add image header, text header, video, document, location, all these can be added as header. So as I'm working on the left hand side, I should see the preview on the right hand side as well. And what I'm going to do is I've already prepared a content, so I'm just going to use that. And you can see here I am adding variables. The 1, 2, 3, and 4, these numbered are variables where I can replace it with personalization during the runtime when I'm sending. Yeah, and Meta also would like to review the sample variables before they can approve the template. And we've also got a cool feature. If you're not sure what the message should be, you can always use our AI to kind of create your message template as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna choose a demo image just for Meta to review as well. So let me just use my welcome image, and I will give sample values as well. So Whautomate, paste your stage, and just sample notes. And if I want to add buttons, more than welcome to add, like you can get them to click on a website or phone number, or even click on a reply button to get a quick reply as well. So let me just add learn more button to get them to click onto my website. I'll do that as well. So I'm pretty happy with everything. So you can see here, and also there's a footer. This is part of our marketing opt-out as well. So people that no longer want to receive your messages, they can reply stop, and you can go to automations and set up our marketing opt-out as well. Yeah. So I'm pretty happy with all these. So I'm going to click on save. This will take a few seconds, and I'll have to wait for Meta to upload this template as well. So let me just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so it is pending. I'll have to wait for Meta to upload. Meanwhile, I'm going to quickly go to automations and click on add automation. I can see a bunch of chatbot templates. If you want to explore, you can. But what I'm interested in is the marketing opt-out. If I scroll down, managing marketing opt-out requests. So I'm going to click on install. This will, when somebody replies stop, it'll put them into suppression list as well. So which is something that we've got here. Yeah. And no longer the automated template messages will actually reach them because they've unsubscribed. And anytime they want to subscribe, if they, if they send the keyword resubscribe, it'll remove them from the suppression list and start sending them marketing messages going forward as well. Now that our template is approved, it took about a minute for me to get the template approved. I received an email notification. So once you submit the template, you can also watch out for the email as well. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is the cool part. I'm going to go to the broadcast, and I can schedule the broadcast as well. Yeah. So I'm going to click on add broadcast, and I'll give it a name like demo broadcast. What I can do is I can schedule it for a future date and time. If I want to schedule it for festival greetings or specific date and time, I can do that as well. But in this instance, I want to run it immediately, so I'm just going to leave it blank. And we are targeting contacts, so I'm going to select contact, and it should display the segments as well. So we created demo segment, so I'm just going to use the demo segment, and we should see Whautomate demo template as well. So as soon as I select the template, it's asking me to fill up all the dynamic placeholders that we created as part of the template, including image and all the variables. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an image, demo image, and I can see the preview. And the coolest part here is the personalization variable. So if I type in hash and type contact, I should see contact name. Now the next thing that we want to do is use the custom fields. So what I'm going to do is use custom fields dot company, and I'm just going to type these values. Yeah. And if you're using client segments, you have other fields as well as part of clients, but that's for another video. Now if you want to send a test message, you can click on send test message to test whether the template message is working fine and looking okay as per your expectation. Since I'm sending it to my internal team members, I'm okay with quickly sending broadcast as well. So now I'm going to click on save. It'll give me a warning whether I want to run the broadcast now for 3 participants. If you're having hundreds or thousands, it'll show you that as well. Yeah. So I'm going to click on confirm, and this starts running, and I should start receiving the messages as well. Yeah, I've received the message. So if I go in, I can see that the message has been delivered. Yeah. The cool thing is our platform also tracks people that are reading the message, people that are replying to the message. So let's say if I reply, right, I refresh this, I should see the message reply as well. So these messages haven't been delivered, probably their phone is switched off, and once they open their phone, we should see the status updated as well. So now that we have, if it failed, it will also show the error as well, so you can cover. And all of these reports, right, you can export it in an Excel spreadsheet to send it to your manager or review it internally as well. The next cool thing is you can also retarget, right? So if you want to send a follow-up campaign to people that have replied to your campaign for specific keywords, or people that have read, you want to send a reminder, you can do that by retargeting. Click on retarget. It's already selected the broadcast. I can call it as follow-up campaign. I can give it a schedule, and this is where the cool thing, right? We can target all people that the message has been sent or delivered or read, even replied. In some instances where sending bulk messages for RSVP, you can also target people that have not replied as well, just to get a confirmation. So these are all the retarget elements available. So if I select all replied recipients, I even have a reply filter as well for specific keywords. You can see examples here to use these retarget filters, and again the same concept. You can select the template and send the messages as well. That's nice. Yeah, that's kind of the broadcast, and all the messages that are going out, you should be able to see that in the team inbox as well. So this person replied, and I can see that here as well. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I would love for you to try out our platform and connect your phone number and send broadcast to your leads and see how it boosts your sales conversion for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to assist you onboard your account. And if you have any questions, leave that in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your comments as well. And looking forward for you all to try out our platform. Cheers. Thank you.